Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys. First, let's cover the basics. You'll use your left stick to move your bean and the jump button to leap over gaps or obstacles. The dive button gives you a quick burst of speed and can help you recover from stumbles. Don't forget the grab button, which is crucial for holding onto ledges or even other players. Mastering these simple controls is your first step to becoming a champion. Fall Guys features many different game modes, each requiring a unique approach. You'll encounter races where speed is key, survival rounds where staying on the platform is paramount, and even team games that demand cooperation. For races, look for shortcuts and try to maintain momentum. In survival, focus on avoiding hazards and staying calm. Team games are all about working together. Communicate with your squad for the best chance at victory. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to explore some advanced techniques. The dive jump is a powerful move, combining a jump and a dive for extra distance, perfect for clearing large gaps. Grabbing can be used defensively to hold onto ledges or offensively to disrupt opponents, but be careful not to overdo it. Learning to quickly recover from a fall by immediately jumping or diving can save you precious seconds. Practice these moves to elevate your gameplay. Your ultimate goal in Fall Guys is to win a crown by being the last bean standing in the final round. There are several different final rounds, each with its own unique challenge, so understanding their mechanics is crucial. Winning a show earns you one precious crown, which can be exchanged for exclusive cosmetic items. Beyond crowns, you can also progress by completing daily and weekly challenges, earning kudos and other rewards to customize your bean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.